Fastest way to 10K resell fakes on Vinted. Step 1. Sign up for Vinted account. Takes 5 minutes. Step 2. Go to the products that are trending on Vinted, then look for them on the various spreadsheets of Panda Buy or Hago Buy. Always make sure to also include warranty in case of a custom seize. Step 3. Check reviews before buying and make sure to not purchase low-quality products, products that smell like glue or ugly, any type of electronics that has batteries. Step 4. After you get the products, be sure to take a good picture and make sure the photo has good brightness. Put clothes on a white background. Take pictures from three-quarter angles. Make the items as visually appealing as possible. Step 5. Describe each item. Tie, size, brand, condition. Why are you selling it? I need money right now. I was supposed to give them to my grandchildren, but they didn't fit the size, etc. Optional. The shop you bought from. Step 6. Price. Describe the item as new if you want to charge more. Set a fair price, neither too high nor too low. Step 7. Publish the listing, then wait 24 hours. Step 8. Find buyer. Post on Facebook groups, clothing selling, Vinted buyers and sellers, etc. Post on Instagram story using location. Make a TikTok with the items. Step 9. Once a buyer has made a purchase, make sure to confirm the order as soon as possible. Step 10. Before shipping the product, you will need to prepare it carefully to prevent damage during transport. Make sure to use sturdy materials suitable for the type of item you are sending, for example, strong boxes for fragile objects. Step 11. Once the product is packed, it is important to choose the most suitable shipping method. Vinted recommends using a trackable shipping service to ensure the safety of the package. Step 12. Enjoy your money.